they will be comfortable. But they have done it. Ghazanfar into the attack straight away, and Zubaid Akbari smashes this for 4 away from the reach of the fielder. A little fuller from Ala Muhammad Ghazanfar, and Zubaid is in business. First boundary to him.
Exhilarating stroke. It's beautifully timed. Just piercing through the offside. Lovely timing. Elegant stroke from Zubaid Akbari. He's off the mark. With a lovely lofted stroke down the ground. It's gone all the way for 6. Power play overs. Introduction of a spin.
Well, Zubaid Akbari is in hot form. I say that. It was Fuller. Wanted to bowl the carom. Didn't get the turn, the drift he wanted. Into the slot. Was up for it. Another one. Another 6. Back-to-back 6s from the bat of Zubaid Akbari. This is brilliant batting.
A majestic stroke from Zubaid Akbari. He might have considered 26. He's taking the revenge in style. Straight bat. Superb timing. A glorious stroke down the field for 6.
No, talking
over. Change in bowling. Hamza into the attack. Takes the edge. It goes fine. Will run away to the boundary for 4. A streaky boundary from the blade of Zubaid Akbari.
Wow, you talk about attacking cricket. Now, being skipper Hashmatullah Shahidi, you will think, why did I not get a slip fielder? Because the intentions from the Amur Sharks are very clear. Attack. The attack is on from the Amur. Capitalize inside the power play. Another one. This is high. This is long. This is out of the park. Very handsome. What a shot this is, Zubaid Akbari. This is beautiful striking.
A magnificent stroke from the blade of Zubaid Akbari. Outstanding stroke in the channel, and he clubs it out of the stadium for 6. Strong wrist. It's found once again. Will come to the third man boundary for 4. 2 streaky boundaries, no slip in position. They're racing along. 51 for 1.
Well, 50 up for Amur Sharks. Zubaid Akbari living his dream. Want to face as many deliveries he can inside the power play. And look at the scoring rate. Again, this is streaky. And again, you ask that question, where is the slip fielder? Where is the winner at the third man? This is also high in the air. And this is another maximum.
The team, Band-e-Amir Dragons, is stunned. Smattering the confidence of the strong bowling unit of Band-e-Amir. Just dropping it short. He picks the length early and he swings it really well to get
in the first 4 balls. I know when the batter is hitting, you can't be taking slip, but wow, this should be taken, and it is. What an anti-climax. Amir Hamza comes back strong to take the wicket of Zubaid Akbari. He knows he missed that. 20 runs off the first 4, and the wicket from Amir Hamza.
Massive relief for the captain. Massive relief. It's a legal delivery. He's been taken for 20 runs, but he has taken the wicket. What an astonishing innings from Zubaid Akbari. He's out 40 of just 14 deliveries to set the stage on fire. 57 for 2.
Well, he bowled it a little quicker, and I think Zubaid Akbari didn't hit it full hard shot. He just pushed at it, and Shamsur Rahman Karokhel is not gonna drop that. This is a good catch in the context of the game.